Meaning of demand.
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 Demand. Demand refers to the willingness and ability of a consumer to purchase a product or service at a given price. It is a measure of how much of a particular good or service consumers are willing to buy at any given time. When demand is high, suppliers may increase their prices to maximize profits. Conversely, when demand is low, suppliers may reduce their prices to encourage sales. Understanding demand is important for businesses in determining pricing strategies and ensuring they have the right level of inventory to meet customer needs.